The Techage 52V 2.5A power adapter is presented as a dedicated power solution for various surveillance recording systems. Designed for specific hardware requirements, this unit serves as a core component for maintaining the operational continuity of security infrastructure. This power supply delivers a consistent 52 volts at 2.5 amperes, making it suitable for powering compatible DVR and NVR systems, including those designated as Poe surveillance recorders. A key feature is its universal AC input range, spanning from 100 to 240 volts, which ensures operational flexibility across diverse electrical standards globally. Its primary application centers on providing reliable power to CCTV surveillance setups. Whether integrating into a new security system or serving as a replacement power source for an existing DVR or NVR, this adapter is engineered to support the continuous operation of critical recording equipment. As a wall charger, the unit prioritizes straightforward integration into standard power outlets. A notable aspect of its design is the inclusion of EU, US, AU, and UK plug options, underscoring its adaptability for deployment in various international regions without necessitating additional converters. In summary, the Techage power adapter stands as a practical and globally adaptable power solution for essential surveillance infrastructure. Its specific voltage and current output, combined with comprehensive international plug compatibility, positions it as a reliable choice for ensuring the operational integrity of CCTV recording systems.